everybody, welcome to the Adobe Photoshop Ultimate course. You will learn the most significant features in Photoshop efficiently and accurately, and you will be able to use them either for teaching or for doing a project. Working with Photoshop could be a wonderful and enjoyable experience for you, and Sila provides a complete and adequate course for learning Photoshop and using it for creating amazing and impressive projects. So we wish your new level moves you to the next step of the success. We are working with tools, filters, layers, styles, image editing, and so many interesting features, so let's go for learning phenomenal and valuable knowledge to become a powerful graphical designer in this course.